Why is isolated power, ICE, unreliable in small baseball sample sizes? Imagine trying to judge a player's power after just a few games. It's like trying to guess the strength of a storm from a single gust of wind. That's exactly what happens when we look at isolated power in small samples. Isolated power measures a hitter's ability to hit extra base hits like doubles, triples, and home runs. It's calculated by subtracting batting average from slugging percentage. This gives a clear idea of how much a player can generate power beyond just getting singles. But here's the catch. Extra base hits happen less often than singles. So in a small number of at-bats, a player might hit 1 or 2 home runs, making their ISO look really high. Or they might go through a dry spell, making their ISO seem very low. This quick change can be misleading. Because these hits are rare, a few lucky or unlucky bounces can swing ISO wildly. For example, if a player hits 2 home runs in 5 games, their ISO might look fantastic. But over a full season, that might not be their true power level. Power metrics like ISO need a lot of data to be reliable. The more at-bats a player gets, the more consistent their ISO becomes. Small samples don't give enough data to see the real picture. Plus, external factors like ballpark size, weather, or the quality of pitchers faced can influence extra base hits in a short span. These factors can make ISO seem better or worse than it actually is. So, when analyzing players with only a handful of games or at-bats, ISO can be very misleading. It's a useful tool for long-term evaluation, but not for quick snapshots. To get an accurate idea of a player's power, it's best to look at larger samples and combine ISO with other stats. That way, you avoid being fooled by short-term fluctuations and see the true strength behind the hits.